the case may be. But the situation is this. We have $100,000 on the table. I'm going to talk differently a little bit to this group for one major reason. All of you guys are in this, and girls are in this group, okay? We have almost 1,000 people in this group, started about a month ago. And the whole purpose of this group was to transform your body, to hold each other accountable, right? And to basically see the best shape that you can get yourself in, which initially started as 60 days, and now we pushed it to 90 days, okay? So this 90-day run that we're doing together, holding each other accountable, everybody sharing what they're eating, how they're working out, right? A big collaborative effort, if you will. I just got back from Pasadena, California, guys. I was at a weekend event. The company that I market their healthcare products, of course, you guys know about the gel. I've been talking about that for 2 years. And more recently, the keto products. Now, when I first created this group, I said, hey, look, I'm going to call this a biohack group because you can hack your body. You can hack your hormones with the gel. You can hack your body to getting the results of a keto diet without having to eat strict keto, which is really, really, really refreshing. Because if any of you, and I know some of you do follow strict keto, you got to admit, it's tough. 10 to 20 net carbs a day is tough, okay? So what I found is that by drinking this drink, okay, and I got it right here, I'm able to get my body into a state of ketosis and rapid fat burning without having to eat keto. Guys, I've been eating 50, 60, 70 grams of carbs a day, which is not keto by any means. That's just low carb because I drink this drink. I put 1 scoop of this in the water and I drink it every day. It's sitting here right here. But let's talk about money, okay? There's almost 1,000 of you in this group. And yes, some of you are motivated just for the fact that you're going to get in good shape and you've been doing great. Some of you fell off the wagon already. There's already people in this group, and as I said before, I'll raise my hand, I'm the first one to be guilty, that you didn't quite stick to what you said you were going to do. Whether it was how you were going to eat cleaner, work out more, quit smoking, drink less, whatever, right? We're 21 days into this new month, into this new year. Where do you stand? Did you already fall off the wagon? How did you do this past weekend? Like Mark said, did a cheat meal or a cheat day turn into 2 cheat days or a cheat week, right? What's going to motivate you to get back on track? You know, guys, I think when you put money on the table, when you literally give people a financial incentive to do something, they're a whole lot more motivated. So we're talking about $100,000. Guys, this has never been done before. This has never been done before. Normally, a company that markets products will say, oh, for the affiliates or the distributors, sure, whoever, transform the most will give you money, 5 grand, 10 grand. We're talking about 2 things. We're talking about $100,000, and we're talking about the fact you don't have to be involved in the company. You don't have to be a representative, an affiliate, a distributor, call it whatever you want. You could just be a customer. If you want to enter to win $100,000, and let me explain a little bit how this works. So $100,000 on the table. This starts on February the 3rd, and it runs through the end of May. So it's 4 months, okay? 2 weeks from yesterday is February the 3rd. Running through the end of May, you have 4 months. At the end, they're going to give away the top grand prize of $30,000. Whoever transformed the most. They're going to want to see before and afters. They're going to look at your body fat percentage, not necessarily the scale. Because a lot of times when you're burning fat and you're building muscle, you're not going to see that big of a difference, or you're going to have a little bit of a counterbalance, which is exactly what you want, okay? So it's not a matter of, I lost 50 pounds, or I lost, no. What do you look like? Let's see your before and after. How much body fat did you lose? And you got 4 months to do it, okay? Top grand prize winner gets $30,000. Second runner-up gets 20 grand. And then third place would get $10,000. Well, wait a minute, Brian, that's only 30, 50, 60 grand. What about the other 40? Over the course of these 4 months, every month, they're going to ask you to submit how you're doing along the way. How are you after month 1? How are you doing after month 2? And they're going to be giving away cash. 1,000 for you, 5,000 for you, 1,000 for you. So people are going to win. It's not like, it's only 3 people win at the end of 4 months. Oh, no. People will be winning every month, guys. And it starts 2 weeks from yesterday on February the 3rd. Say, well, Brian, what do I got to do? What you have to do is use the products. What you have to do is drink this drink and use these 2 new products, this Keto Day and Keto Night. Now, some of you may say, well, what the hell is that? I don't even know what it is. All right, so let me show you. This is called KG4. There's 5 calories in this. These are known as BHB salts. So when your body gets into ketosis because you stop consuming carbohydrates, you start to literally use your own stored body fat for fuel. When you are, and now let me explain a little bit more. When you're using your own body fat for fuel, your liver will create something called ketones. It's an energy source, which it's literally burning the fat off of your body because there's no carbohydrates to burn, and it's a great source of fuel for your brain. You're going to feel mentally alert. You're going to be dropping fat like mad, but the problem is you got to eat 10 to 20 net carbs a day. Most people find that extremely difficult, if not impossible. So what this biohack, and the reason you're in this group, This drink right here, they're known as exogenous ketones. It will put your body into a state of ketosis without having to eat keto. You don't have to eat 10, 20 carbs a day. I routinely eat 50, 60, 70 grams of carbs a day and stay in ketosis. How do I know? Because I have a blood meter, actually like a diabetic would, or I can check my blood ketone levels, okay? This drink puts you in ketosis, which means rapid fat loss. It's a total hack, okay? So this is the drink. It's got all your essential, let me tell you what it's got. It's got 4 BHB salts, which are exogenous ketones. Exogenous meaning that they're made outside of your body, okay? A full, complete vitamin and mineral blend, so you don't really need to worry about taking vitamins anymore. They're in here. You have a blend to get your body into an alkaline state as compared to being acidic. You have a cognitive enhancing blend with the magic mushrooms. No, not those, but good mushrooms. not the psychedelic ones, all right? So don't get too excited. Alkalizing blend, adaptogenic blend, etc. So good stuff. Now, people say, well, what about this keto day, keto night? This one, as it says, it's for the morning. It's keto day. You put a spoon of it. Larry just eats it right off the spoon. You can put it in your coffee. This one is a mocha flavor. Guys, here's what's in it. And Thomas DeLauer just basically went through this, okay? And I'm going to get to that in a second. But this has everything you need for your body to create ketones. So people say all the time, well, Bart, I don't even want to eat keto. I just want to go low carb. Fine. This is about a biohack. You don't have to eat keto, guys. You could be on a Mediterranean diet. You could be on a paleo diet. You got to want to eat low carb, obviously, if you want to. Listen, by now in 2020, everybody knows, get off the sugar, stay away from the bread and pasta. You don't have to eliminate it. Just cut it down, right? And you're going to start to lose weight, okay? Adding more fats, good fats, reducing the carbs, it's almost universally known now, let's say. So what this does, so this will add ketones into your body. This helps your body create its own ketones. You guys familiar with MCT oil? A lot of you have heard of like the bulletproof coffee, where you'll take a cup of coffee, you'll put in a tablespoon of grass-fed butter and a tablespoon of MCT oil. It stands for medium chain triglycerides. Look at it like this, and Thomas DeLauer explained this to us this past weekend in Pasadena. MCT8 and MCT10. What does that mean? Well, MCT8. Picture a fat molecule, okay, with a tail. And on that tail, that's why they call it a medium chain. Consider it a chain or a tail. There's 8 blocks on an MCT8 and 10 blocks on MCT10. For your body to break it down, it just bites off one chunk at a time to be able to utilize the stored fat, okay, for energy. What does that do? It helps your body create ketones. It creates a longer lasting energy that you can actually live on if you're eating in a low calorie diet, a low carbohydrate diet. It provides immediate fuel. Guys, there's so much stuff in here. There's DHA, there's CoQ10, EGCG, which is from green tea extract. A lot of you know green tea severely helps you to really burn body fat, not to mention feel better. And the nighttime blend has things in it to basically maple flavor to help you actually fall asleep faster, recover better. Yes, it's got the MCT8, it's got the collagen, L-theanine, 5-HTP, GABA. Guys, I have videos I'm going to share with you on exactly what's in these. Okay, I'm not the scientist and I'm not the creator, but what I can tell you is this. This private Facebook group that anybody who decides to join this challenge, okay, anybody who wants to join this challenge, what do I have to do? Well, you have to use these products. Again, you don't have to be a distributor. You can be a customer, okay? And whoever added you to this group, if they're already a distributor or a rep, obviously get back to them, not me. If I added you to this group, you get back to me. But the point is this. Thomas DeLauer, in case you don't know, and many of you have already posted videos from him, he's an expert, probably one of the biggest experts when it comes to intermittent fasting and keto, okay? He is going to be coaching us in this group. So this is a private Facebook group where if you decide to join the challenge, we'll get you a link. You're going to have to send in your before picture. You don't have to send it in. Let me take that back. You got to take your before picture. You have to get, your body fat, your weight, all these other things. We're going to lay out step by step exactly what you do. That is not the purpose of this quick video today. The purpose is just to let you know the challenge exists. And are you interested in joining? Are you interested in throwing your hat in the ring, being in a private Facebook group, and getting coached for free by Thomas DeLauer? Guys, this has never been done before. I had no idea this contest was going down. When I just found out about it myself in Pasadena. I created this group a month ago just so we could all lose weight, hold each other accountable, share recipes, workouts. Now we have money on the table. We got $100,000 on the table. I know I'm going to be competing for this. All right. So for those of you who don't have the highest self-confidence, you're saying, well, I'll never take top 3. I'm not going to make the 30, 20, and 10. What about the other, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars they're giving away? Guys, every one of you have a chance to win some money. And maybe that's what it takes. Maybe just thinking what your body will look like at the end of May, which is when summer really starts, right? And the beach is open and the pool's open, Memorial Day. What kind of shape do you want to be in? And how would you like to be coached by Thomas DeLauer helping you get it done in a private Facebook group? And how would you like to win money and actually be financially rewarded for getting yourself in great shape? Guys, it's a no-brainer. I'm so excited to share this. I know not all of you are going to be interested in joining this, and that's okay. This is a call to action. If you want to be a part of this private Facebook group, you need to let me know. You need to get back to the person who added you to this group, or if it was me, get back to me, comment below, send me a message. We'll figure out who added you to the group. It's a private group, so you can't just go search for it and join. You need to be invited, okay? You need to commit to using these products. Do I need to commit for the full 4 months? No, you can commit for a month and win prizes for that month. But why wouldn't you give yourself 4 months? Why wouldn't you give yourself 4 months to get in the best shape of your life? Give yourself the ability to truly do a biohack, get in shape, and win some money at the same time. Guys, I'm excited, if you can't tell. I'm really, really excited about this. Again, the purpose of this quick video is not to explain exactly what's in this stuff and all that. Oh, how much does it cost? And what about it? Listen, we'll get you all the answers you need. I just wanted to kind of throw it out there that there's $100,000 on the table. You're already in this group, okay? You're already somewhat committed to stay, let's just say get yourself in great shape in 90 days. Well, now you have an extra 30. And it doesn't even start until February the 3rd. So if you fell off the wagon, if you're in this group and you haven't quite gotten started yet, you have 13 days to get things together, to kick it off on February the 3rd. You have until the end of May. You're going to win money and get in great shape. So guys, I'm excited if you can't tell. Get back to the person who invited you in this group. Get back to me if it was me. We'll hook you up. We'll get you in the group. We'll get you signed up, and we'll get you some money. All right, guys. We'll be talking real soon. Have a great day. God bless you as always, and we'll talk to you soon. See you.